A good cordless vacuum is a helpful addition to any household cleaning arsenal. When you don't need to worry about staying in range of an outlet, it's easy to clean small, out-of-the-way areas inside your home and in tighter spaces, like car interiors. You also don't have to worry about a power cord getting snagged on a piece of furniture and bringing a frustrating pause to your cleaning session. However, despite recent strides in extending overall battery life, a cordless vacuum still can't offer the worry-free indefinite runtime of a corded vacuum. For many, however, this trade-off is worth these appliances' near infinite range. We have tested many vacuum cleaners, and here are our recommendations for the 2024's top 6 best vacuum cleaners. With cordless design, we have chosen these picks based on their performance on different surface types and feature sets, battery life, and price. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to be notified of our videos. Without further ado, let's get to our list. Number 6. Samsung Bespoke Jet. Samsung Bespoke Jet is an ideal option for home cleaning with its high performance, stylish design, and various features. With an effective 560W suction power, this vacuum cleaner effectively traps dust with its multi-cyclone technology. It offers up to 120 minutes of continuous runtime, covering a wide cleaning area. The charging station allows you to store your vacuum cleaner neatly while charging. The Bespoke Jet is easy to use, with an LCD display that instantly provides the user with information, such as runtime, battery status, and cleaning mode. Thanks to its lithium-ion batteries and 2 rechargeable batteries, you can enjoy uninterrupted cleaning without removing the vacuum cleaner from the charging station. Number 5. Dyson V15 Detect. With its innovative design and unique features, the Dyson V15 Detect allows you to see microscopic dust with its fluffy optic cleaning head. It also automatically adjusts the suction power by detecting dust density and floor type. This ensures effective cleaning on every surface. The long-run time of up to 60 minutes makes it practical for cleaning large areas or multiple rooms. The motorized nozzle with anti-tangle technology prevents hair and lint from tangling. Thus, the vacuuming process continues smoothly. Dyson V15 Detect adapts to different cleaning needs with 2 main cleaning heads and 3 different accessories. With a dust container capacity of 0.7 L, this cordless vacuum cleaner also offers comfort in terms of sound level. It also helps you deep clean every corner of your home with its 650W motor power. Number 4. Xiaomi G10 Plus. Xiaomi G10 Plus cordless vacuum cleaner, which makes home cleaning more practical and effective, is a prominent option among rechargeable cordless vacuum cleaner models. It offers a strong suction performance with its high motor power of 450W. Featuring a 3000 mAh capacity lithium-ion battery, G10 Plus offers up to 65 minutes of uninterrupted operation time. The G10 Plus helps you keep your floors clean and hygienic thanks to its wet mopping feature, while effectively collecting dust with its dry suction feature. The 0.6L dust container and 0.23L water tank capacity allow for longer use of the vacuum cleaner. This reduces the need for frequent emptying or refilling. Number 3. Bosch Serie 8 Unlimited Gen2 ProParquet, offering excellent performance in home cleaning. Serie 8 Unlimited Gen2 ProParquet provides effective cleaning on different floor types with its all-floor power head and digital spin motor. With its 36W motor power and strong suction performance, it easily removes dust and dirt from every corner of the house. With a 4-hour charging time, it is quickly ready for use. The hygienic filter and cartridge filter system improves air quality in the home by providing clean air output and filters allergens. Bosch Gen2 ProParquet, which attracts attention with its light and useful design, weighs only 7.4 kilos. It offers the advantage of roaming freely without the hassle of cables with its rechargeable and wireless operation. The maximum battery duration of 65 minutes is ideal for long-term cleaning operations. Washable filter system and rotation clean feature facilitate cleaning and maintenance processes. With its 78 dB sound level, it offers a quiet cleaning, while the 0.4L dust container provides a practical use. Number 2. Philips Premium Aquatrio 9000 series. Philips Aquatrio 9000 is designed to remove dust, dirt, and bacteria from hard surfaces up to 99.9% at a time with AquaSpin technology. This hood collects all the dirt in every movement with its front and back parts. Thus, there is no need to wipe separately after the sweeping process. The LED lights in the header illuminate the places that are difficult to detect, allowing you to easily detect particles such as fine dust, hair, and crumbs. Providing clean water flow from the dirty water tank, the Aqua Diffusion system allows every point of the floor to be cleaned with only clean water and helps it to dry up to 50% faster. The digital LCD smart display, which you can easily control during and after use, provides information about battery power status, cleaning modes, maintenance support, and more. It makes an effective and powerful cleaning with self-cleaning power brush brushes. Ultra-soft microfiber brushes rotate in opposite directions at a speed of 4,500 RPM, pulling dirt from the floor and pulling it into the device. In this way, the brushes remain constantly clean. The powerful lithium-ion battery offers up to 45 minutes of cleaning time at once in normal mode. Also, when used with an extra battery, the time can be up to 90 minutes. This feature is ideal for long-term cleaning operations. Number 1. Dyson Gen5 Detect. Dyson's latest cordless vacuum cleaner, the Gen5 Detect, is a breakthrough in home cleaning performance. Dyson's most powerful motor runs at 135,000 revolutions per minute, providing 280 AW of high suction power. Thanks to HEPA filtration technology, it captures 99.99% of particles down to 0.1 microns, significantly improving the air quality of your home. Dyson's powerful cyclone technology effectively captures and traps unwanted particles. This significantly reduces the amount of invisible dust in your home. The design prevents hair and bristles from tangling automatically, making the vacuum easier to use. Suitable for all floor types, it meets your cleaning needs in different areas of the house. The vacuum cleaner provides long-term use with a 70-minute operating time.